and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making chicken tortilla soup. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 1 pound of chicken breast, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1.5 cups of enchilada sauce, 1 4-ounce can of chopped green chili, 1 15-ounce can of black beans, 1.5 cups of frozen corn, 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 14-ounce cans of chicken broth, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 4 corn tortillas, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, green onions, cheddar cheese, and avocado for your topping. Lightly brush your tortillas with oil on both sides. Cut the tortillas into strips, then place them on a cookie sheet. Now place them into your preheated oven and allow them to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove them from the oven, then set them aside until later. Turn the crock pot on high, then add your chicken. Now add the onions and garlic. Now add the green chili, enchilada sauce, and diced tomatoes. Add the black beans, corn, and cilantro, then pour in your water and chicken broth. Now season with the salt, pepper, oregano, chili powder, and cumin, then stir, cover, and allow it to cook for 6 hours. After 6 hours, remove the chicken from the soup, then shred it and return it to the soup. Allow the soup to simmer for an additional hour, then it is ready to serve. This chicken tortilla soup is an easy, hearty meal for any night of the week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps